We've traveled from the origin of the universe to the possibility of simulated realities. But today, we're going to unravel something even more elusive, something we all experience, yet rarely understand. Time. We treat time as constant. We schedule our lives by it. We age through it. But what if time, as we know it, isn't real? What if it's not a river flowing from past to future, but a dimension just like space, one we move through or even imagine? This idea isn't just poetic. It's rooted in cutting-edge physics, mind-bending thought experiments, and a bold claim that has baffled scientists and philosophers alike. Time might be an illusion. What is time really? From a young age, we're taught that time passes. Seconds tick by. Events occur in a sequence: before, now, after. But in physics, things are not so simple. Einstein's theory of relativity shattered the idea of absolute time. He showed that time is relative. It moves differently, depending on your speed and gravitational field. Clocks tick slower on a spaceship near the speed of light. They tick faster at the top of a skyscraper than at the bottom. This means time is not fixed. It's flexible. It's part of the fabric of the universe, intertwined with space as space-time. So what does that mean? It means the past, present, and future may all exist simultaneously, like frames of a film reel already there. We just experience them one at a time. The block universe. Time as a dimension. Enter the block universe theory. In this model, the universe is a four-dimensional block: length, width, height, and time. All events, from the birth of stars to your breakfast this morning, coexist in this block. There is no flow of time, no universal present. Your entire life, every moment you've lived and will live, is frozen in the block. You are just a 4D being, extended in space-time, experiencing slices of yourself moment by moment. It's a radical idea, but one that makes sense of relativity. It also means there's no objective now. Your present may be someone else's ancient past. Time is local, not universal. Consciousness and the illusion of flow. So why do we experience time as flowing? Some neuroscientists believe the sensation of time moving forward is created by memory and causality. Your brain stores previous events and strings them into a narrative. This gives you the illusion of a moving present. In other words, you're not moving through time. Your consciousness is creating the sensation of motion. It's like watching a flipbook. Each page already exists, but your mind animates the illusion. Entropy and the arrow of time. But hold on. Doesn't time clearly move forward? Eggs don't unscramble. Smoke doesn't unburn. We age, we die. This is the arrow of time. And it's dictated not by physics, but by thermodynamics. Specifically, the second law of thermodynamics, entropy. The measure of disorder always increases. In the past, things were more ordered. Over time, chaos grows. That's why time feels like it flows. But what if entropy is not a rule, just a statistical trend? What if the direction of time is not fundamental, but emergent? Some physicists believe the universe began in a low entropy state, highly ordered. And as entropy increases, we get the illusion of time moving forward. In other words, time might just be what entropy looks like from inside the system. Quantum physics. Superposition of timelines? Let's get even weirder. In quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. Only when observed do they collapse into a single outcome. Could time itself be a kind of superposition? Could the future and past exist in a smeared-out cloud, and your consciousness collapses one timeline into reality as it moves? This idea has sparked theories of retrocausality, where future events influence the past. It's controversial, but quantum physics has already proven that reality is far stranger than we expected. Could time be hacked? If time is a dimension, could we travel through it? Einstein's equations allow for time dilation, moving forward in time. A spaceship near light speed could travel 1,000 years into Earth's future in a matter of days from its perspective. But moving backward in time is trickier. Some solutions to Einstein's equations, like rotating black holes or wormholes, allow for closed time-like curves or theoretical time loops. But they also introduce paradoxes, like the classic grandfather paradox. Still, scientists haven't ruled time travel out completely. In fact, projects like the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, are exploring how ripples in space-time could offer insights into temporal anomalies. Time might be flexible, even navigable. Why it matters. So, what does all this mean for you? It means the moment you're living in is not the only one that exists. Your past is still there. Your future might already be written, or constantly unfolding based on quantum probabilities. It also means death may not be an erasure, but a transition in your block of space-time. You will always have existed in the geometry of the cosmos, and that is strangely comforting. Here on Infinity Beyond, we believe understanding time isn't just a physics question, it's a spiritual one. Because if time is not what we think, then neither are we.